Hey guys, we have ordered the Ambrane power bank of 10,000 mAh on 9th August and today it has arrived and today is 15th August and here is the power bank of 10,000 mAh and today we are going to unbox it and check how it is. So let's do it. So here is the box of Ambrane power bank and today it has arrived. So let's unbox it. So here is it. I bought it for rupees 500. It was in the offer period of Independence Day, and here is it. The Ambrane power bank of 10,000 mAh battery. So let's open it. So this is here. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here is the seal. Okay, we are having a charging cable, Ambrane branding over here. Here is the bank and some paperwork inside, including the warranty card. Here is the warranty card. Here is the Ambrane power bank and other products available of Ambrane. Okay, here is the wrapper of the power bank. Okay, it has 3 ports over here and one charging point over here. It's the LED. I think this button. Is it charged? Yes, it is charged 50%. We can see I'm having 2 phones over here. Okay, this is the LED. It's quite bright. Okay, I have 2 phones over here and we'll try and check that out. Here it is the Realme 3i and Infinix 05. I have the original chargers over here, so we'll charge with the original. First, the Infinix 05. Okay. Okay, it's charging. Okay, it's charging over here. You can see it's charging. And let's check the Realme 3i now with its charger. Here is the original charger of Realme 3i. We will connect it over here. It's better to remove the case. Yes, it's charging. You can see it over here. Okay, it's charging very well. So my first impressions are good. Okay, further you can buy it. It is the cheapest of them all. 500, it's worth. I can see it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.